anymore. Hello everyone, come on down. Hi, welcome, my name is Pat, welcome to the break room. We're just gonna hang out here for a bit till I get this call from Tej about your party buses for the party that you're all heading to. You guys know that you're at a party, right? I'm seeing dead eyes, blank faces. Woo, okay, 2 people are ready to party. Is everybody ready to party? Much better, great. Move on forward, everybody. Hold this blank space over here. Yes, perfect. Well, great. Looks like we're all ready to party, which is good. This party is for my man Dom over here. He is in the middle of a race at the moment. Should be just about wrapped up, actually. But whenever he has a big race like this, we plan all these after parties in advance because we always know he's gonna win. So let's hope he wins. That would be awkward if he didn't. Yeah. So hopefully, let's. Oh. Hey Mia, you're not Tej. What's up?
Hey Pat, I see our party goers have arrived.
Yeah, they're here, ready to party. Say hey.
Hey everybody, I'm Mia, Dom's sister. Well, another race just wrapped, and it looks like my brother has another car for his collection.
There you go.
Honestly, I don't know why anybody challenges him.
Who knows at this point?
Well, we're meeting up at Sullivan's Garage for the after party, and while Tej works on your rides, you guys enjoy the break room. My brother calls this the family room. Dom says he doesn't have friends,
Yeah,
he has family.
He says it a lot.
And the faces you see on these walls are family.
Where'd my picture go?
I'm in this room, I feel like we're all together again. So, welcome to our family.
Welcome to the family, everyone. And there's Tej. Hey, you are up on the break room monitor with Mia.
All right. What's up, Mia?
I'm here too.
Tej, just welcoming these good people to our family. How are their rides coming along?
The rides are ready to roll out and roll out in style.
Great, right. I'll let them know. You guys have fun at the party.
Bye, Mia.
Yeah, bye, Mia.
All right, Pat.
Yeah.
Let's get these people on their way. Send them over to the war.
All right, you got it. But listen, about that party invite, do you think mine got lost in spam or? Okay, great. All right, so let's see who's going to meet my friend Jamie over in the war room. Listen, it's Jamie's first day alone in there without Tej, so go easy on him. Yeah, be nice, Jamie. You look
Pat? Pat, who are these people? Who are these people? Don't worry, she says don't worry about it. Okay, I guess I gotta ask you awkwardly. Who are you guys and what are you doing in the war room? The party's on Sunday, not Saturday. What are you guys doing here?
It's Sunday.
Oh, okay, my bad. All right, I got this. All right, I'm gonna get you right through those doors, right up to the docks. Now? Okay, secret time. Can y'all keep a secret?
Sure.
Yeah, I don't trust that, but I'm gonna say it anyway. Don't tell Tej I lied on my resume. I have no idea what I'm doing. I got an hour of training. He said, did you get all that? I said, yes, sir. And then he took off. Watch this. Yes, sir. What's up?
Jamie.
Yeah.
The buses are here.
Awesome. The app's acting a little screwy. Can you go on your phone and get the doors? I'll get that call for Dom if you want.
I got this, Jamie.
Dom and the doors?
What
Okay,
up?
cool. Thanks.
Tej, just got a heads up from Hobbs.
Wait, who's that?
The FBI is about to raid your location.
Wait, what?
Man, they always ruining our fun.
Probably because you have a big ice board right there.
They're leaving on the show right to your door.
Wait, who's that? This guy?
Shaw, that cockroach we beat down in Spain?
He says
What's he gonna
cockroach
do with
is
this?
mercenary. No thanks.
Nothing yet. And let's keep it that way.
Yeah, that's a good idea, Dom.
Get those people on those buses.
I'm working on it, man. I'm working on
You
it.
need to start bugging out right now.
Well, the app's bugging. That's why
And
he's
get
got to
that
do
turbo
it.
truck ready.
Now that I can
I'm
do.
sending Letty there to pick it up.
I'll give her a call.
I'm on it.
Never mind. She'll call.
Hobbs needs our help.
Yeah?
He needs our team.
Is this the team? I feel like I'm going in
Spread the
circles.
word.
All right,
But
Facebook
keep
goes.
it in our family.
Okay, just mom and dad.
And keep it
Ooh,
quiet.
delete. Sorry, guys. Chinese call, Mr. Clean. What's his name?
It's Hobbs.
That's Hobbs.
Hobbs, my man.
I haven't met
What
him
up?
yet.
Sorry, Brother Tej, no time for chit-chat.
Oh, yeah?
I just sent you a brief on FBI agent
Well, I haven't
Nutback.
seen it yet.
Has Toretto filled you in?
No.
Yeah.
I mean, yes.
He wants us to get everybody over to the party at Sullivan's.
Where's my invite?
Sounds like a plan. That party is a ready-made diversion. Keep it going.
Did he just say
We
diversion?
need to discuss how you're going to get all those civilians out of there without tipping off the FBI.
Listen, if we're dealing with defense, they better be
Okay,
family.
hold on.
I don't go to jail for
Let me get
civilians.
everybody squared away, and we'll talk offline.
Secrets don't make friends,
Copy
guys.
that, Tej, and let everybody know. Shut off your
That's
cell
not gonna
phones.
happen.
We don't want Shaw tracking your location.
Those two are texting him right now, I bet
Okay,
you.
Jamie, you heard the man. It's about to go to a whole nother level.
Like these gas prices,
Send
got it.
everybody to the loading
Well, you're
dock.
lucky I just found the app, so here we go, guys. You're gonna go through these doors, up the ramps to the loading dock. That means straight to the down to the whole team spot. We gotta keep this quiet.
Attention party goers, welcome to Fast and Furious Super